Guys, so today we are heading to Namdaemun Market, and here you get everything from clothes, jewelry, flowers, electronics, toys, anything you get it there, and the price also is very nice. I mean, it's very reasonably priced. But if you're buying clothes there, I guess they don't have the option to try it on. So I've gone there only once, and that's what I remember of it. So we are going to go and explore that place again today. So let's go. So it's actually -1 degrees now, and it says it's going to start snowing. Maybe I didn't pick the right day to come. So yeah, I might have to go back if it starts snowing.
Hardly a minute or so later, it had started snowing lightly, and I was wondering whether to stay or to go back. I was actually waiting for a friend of mine, and once she came, we decided to go ahead and explore Namdaemun Market. Both of us had not experienced a proper snowfall till date, and this was a really nice experience. We had a great time walking in the snow. It was hardly a 5 to 7 minute walk to Namdaemun Market from Seoul Station. And as I mentioned earlier, you get everything here from accessories, vegetables, clothes, shoes, bags, kitchenware, crafts. Anything that you think you would need, I think you'll get it here. This market is really very huge. They have few shops in the open like this, and then you have different buildings as well where you just enter and you will find each floor dedicated to one item, or sometimes with 2-3 items on each floor. So it's a really huge place and definitely worth visiting. We then came across this bag shop that we really liked. You had a lot of variety here, from the small bags to the big ones, suitcases, backpacks, pouches, wallets. And I was actually looking for a bag for my laptop, and I wanted a backpack sort of a thing, and I found one here and I ended up buying this. There were a lot of souvenir shops here as well, where you were getting a lot of stuff like magnets, miniature dolls, masks that you can hang on the walls or the doors of your house. And I would definitely recommend coming here and shopping for yourself and your family before you plan to leave. Also, I don't think so I have seen such nice and pretty stuff anywhere else in Korea, maybe just one other area, that is Insadong. People love ginseng here. It's basically the roots of a plant, and it has many health benefits. It enhances your immune system, and you get it in various forms. You also get some amazing snacks here like their momos, and this fish sticks is something very unique and special to Korea. We next went to the shop that had a lot of kitchenware. My friend enjoys cooking and she loves collecting things relating to the kitchen, and so we spent our maximum time exploring these shops. They had a lot of variety, from glasses to plates to spoon holders, mugs, cups, pats, pawns, stirrers, very cute shot glasses. And then this pan to make fried eggs, that's very common here. Sizzler plates. You had these machines to make coffee. Some more pots and pans. Some really nice shoes at reasonable prices. You were also getting stuff for men, coats, jackets. We came across these 2-3 shops where you were getting these amazing coats for women. I really love them and I wanted to pick at least one or two, so I'll definitely come back here. We then decided to go inside this building and explore this a little. The first floor here was dedicated to accessories, and you were getting a lot of stuff. Some of it was really nice, these Christmas and football rings. And you were also getting the sparkly earmuffs. A huge collection of tiny earrings. You could also make your own accessories by selecting your chain and the lockets you want. They also had one or two shops of these antique clocks and furniture. The next floor had decorative items and I really loved this floor. This was the best floor for me amongst all of them and I felt like buying everything and decorating my house. They had some really amazing snow globes, owl figurines, some other figurines, and some amazing home decor stuff. Snow globes are not just for Christmas decoration, but they also had other fairy tale looking figurines inside, and they looked very pretty. On the same floor, you could also find some folk arts. Look at these cute teddy bears in Korean outfits, dolls, and these idols again. Being a dog and a cat lover, this shop also was something that I really liked. They had some very cute cats and dog figurines. Look at those frogs there. This is the last floor that we explored, and this was dedicated to kitchenware, and they had a huge collection. We usually buy our stuff from Daiso because it is very close to our house, but I guess if this place was closer to our house, then definitely we would be coming here regularly. I'll also post the Daiso tour video link in the description so that if you guys want, you can check that out as well. Restaurants here like keeping these artificial food outside to attract customers. Some really very pretty cups and saucers. After seeing so much, we were a little exhausted and it was snowing, so we decided that we needed a cup of coffee and so we went to this place called Mangchichi. Not very sure if I'm pronouncing the name right, but it was a very cozy cafe. And from the time COVID has started, cafes here are experiencing a little loss in their business and so they only let you sit there if you buy something to eat as well. We ordered for an avocado sandwich and two coffees. Had a nice time, chit-chatted for a while, enjoyed the snowfall outside and then left.
So guys, I think we had more fun in the snowfall than actually exploring Namdaemun Market. And now I'm going to head back home. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.